Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for another Wrath of Rakshasa construction update at Six Flags Great America, just outside of Chicago, Illinois, in Gurnee. And I would like to wish all of you a happy holiday season. We are coming to you on Christmas Day 2024 for a very quick update. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, turn on those notifications, make sure you get all my videos when they are released. And like I said, this is just going to be a very quick update. From the looks of the site, it looks to me like all work has halted, most likely for the holidays. I don't think that they'll be back working probably until after the new year. It does not look like much work has been done since my last update. The state of everything still looks to be the exact same as it was the last update that I posted for you guys. As you can see, no work is going on, obviously. This video footage was taken on Christmas Eve, so December 24th, 2024. Thought there might be a chance there'd be some stuff going on, but the park was completely empty. There wasn't a worker in sight. And as you can see from looking at the site, compared to my last video update, everything basically appears to be the same, so it doesn't look like they've done anything since that last video that I did. There may be some smaller stuff that they're working on that's not visible to us, being this high up in the sky. Some site prep and whatnot, maybe stuff going on under the brake run there by the station. There might be stuff going on where the storage sheds are going to be, but it's stuff that obviously we can't see from this height. So like I said, this is just going to be a quick update. I just wanted to, as soon as I got up, I knew there wasn't going to be much looking at the site, but I figured I'd fly around, leave the drone up for a little bit, and let you guys get an idea on what the site is looking like. And hopefully next week we see some more progress after the new year. As you can see, a lot of the snow has melted. We did have a few inches, especially up by where the park is. Further south you went, the less you got. But I'm still curious on why they haven't put that final piece of track in by the brake run back there. That's still sitting out on the ground out there. There has to be a reason they're maybe getting in and out of there for work on the storage sheds, maybe, to make sure that they're able to get vehicles in and out from in the back there. But they must have plans to put that piece up soon, otherwise they wouldn't have brought it to the main site. They would have left it in the back of the park, and it would have been one of the last things they did then. But as you can see, nothing else has really changed on the site. It is harder to tell what is going on the ground, obviously, with the snow cover. We do know that recently they had pretty much finished the rest of the pour for the footers, so the concrete, I think, is pretty much done. There might be a couple things left that has to be filled, but other than that, all the footers are basically done. There is a couple spots, if you look next to Demon Snacks there, that look like possibly they still need some concrete, where there's that red netting around stuff. And there's possibly some stuff out in front of Demon where the queue 4Demon used to be. And there's a better shot of where the Immelman footers are. And somebody had messaged me on one of the platforms that they were concerned that the lift hill wasn't going to clear the brake run, but obviously looking at the certain angles when you're with the camera up this high, it's kind of an optical illusion. When I fly around here on the side, you'll be able to tell that that brake run and that base of the lift hill is actually nowhere near each other. It just came off that way when I'm 390 feet in the air and looking down on it. As you can kind of see there now, coming into perspective, they are not close to each other at all. So there will not be an issue with clearance on the brake run and lift hill. So there's nothing to worry about there, as you can see from the video. But like I said, everything is pretty much at a standstill, which was expected for the holiday. Don't expect to see any updates until after the New Year. I will try to get out and do a video, even if it's just a quick video. If no work has been done, I'll make sure I get something out to you guys in the next week or so. And you can see there, that base of the lift hill and the brake run are nowhere close to each other. The brake run, I believe, looking at the animation, runs underneath the very bottom of the base of the lift almost. Now we're going to jump to the back of the park real quick. I know people had been posting about seeing track pieces on I-65, I-75. I've been getting messages. So it doesn't appear that the park is getting deliveries as quickly as they were in the beginning, but there are shipments being sent out, and that may just be because of the holiday as well. So we may see this pick up after the new year with deliveries from Clermont, but there are a few more pieces that have been delivered. I think maybe 2 more pieces of track and some more supports since my last video have been delivered. And we'll zoom in here in a little bit. And clearly, from the looks of the parking lot, you can tell there's no cars, so no employees were on site. And up to the top left is where the newest pieces of track and supports are being laid out. And there's that one blue piece at the very top left, and then there's another blue piece kind of off to the right of that with some gold supports behind it. That's the newest stuff that's been delivered, along with some of the other gold supports that you see laying there. Usually you get one track piece when the pieces get this big on a flatbed, and a couple pieces of supports. But again, that's going to do it all for today's video. Just a quick update. And happy holidays to you guys all. Thanks again for all the support. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on those notifications, and I will see you in the next video.